Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing about large numbers. In previous videos you learnt ascending and descending order of the number and how to compare the numbers. In today's class you are going to learn how to form the numbers by given digits without repetition. You have to form a greatest 6 digit and 7 digit numbers. Already you know we are discussing about 7 and 8 digit numbers. Here I took some examples from your My Practice Time 4. My Practice Time 4, page number 85. Here I am going to form here 7 and 8 digit greatest number and smallest number. Then how to form the greatest and smallest number? So first I will take here greatest number, next smallest number. See here, when you are forming greatest number, you start with the greater number, and here the question is there without repetition. The number should not be repeat here. The number only will repeat here only one time. So see here, when you are writing greatest number, no, you have to start with greater number. Then see here, which one is the greater number? Here 8 is there. After 8, which one is there? 7. After that, what is there here? 6. Next, what is there? 4, 3, 1, 0. So this type you have to write the greatest number. Okay. When you are writing the greatest number, you start with the greater number, and when you are writing a smallest number, you start with the smallest number. Here I took these examples from your My Practice Time 4 and page number 85. There 6 questions are there. Among them I took here 3 examples. So this is the first question. Then tell me how to form a greatest number by starting with the greater number. Then so tell me which one is the greater number here? 8. Okay. Next what is there? 7. Next 6. Next what is there here? 4, 3, 1, 0. So this is the greatest number. This type you have to form the greatest number. So see here, without repetition, here one single digit also not repeated. Without repetition is there. So that is 87,64,310 is the largest number I formed by using this digits. Next here one more question is there to form a smallest number. Okay, see here smallest number means already I told you start with the small number, but in case 0 is there means 0 don't write here first. After 0 which one is small here? 1. Next you write 0. Why we are writing like that? Here the question is there to form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. To form greatest 7 digit number is there. If I formed like this 0, 1, 3, 4, next 6, 7, 8. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if 0 here is there means I form here only 6 digit number. But the question is there to form what? 7 digit number. So if I wrote here 0 means that is completely wrong. For that what to do? First you have to write 1 means after 0 which one is the smallest number? No, that you have to write. Next you write here 0. So this type you have to form a 7 digit greatest number. I hope you are getting my point. In case 0 is there means just keep in your mind you have to write the 0 second digit, then which one the smallest number, no, that you need to write here. I hope you understood this. Greatest number, the rule will not change as it is. You have to start with greater number and it will end with what? Smallest number. When in smallest number is there means in case 0 is there means you have to write other than 0 which one is the smallest number, no, that you need to write. I hope you understood this. Next then form here the next number greatest number. Then start with greater number 9, 8, 7. After 9, 8, 7 which one is small here? 4, 3, next 1, 0. Okay, so this is the greatest number. Next smallest number, see here 0 is there, but don't write here 0. Before only I told, just now I told why we are not writing, because here 6 digit number will form. So after 0 which one is small here? 1. So write here 1. After that which one is small here? 3. Next what is there? 4. After 4 which one is small here? 7, 8, 9. So what here I forgot to write 0, here write 0 also. So here 10,34,789 is the smallest number. By using these digits I have formed here. Okay, so this is 7 digit number. Here also then form greatest number. See here the question is there without repetition, means here single digit should not be repeated. So take here next what is there? Yes, here greatest number 9, next 7, after that here 6. Yes, 9, 7, 6, 9, 7, 6. Next what is there here? 4. Yes, 4 is there. Next 3, next 2, 1. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, and here last digit 0. When you are writing no greatest number, the rule will not change. When you are writing greatest number, no, you as usually write. You start with the greater number. Then here smallest number is there. Yes, here 0 is there, but don't write 0 first. What I have to write here? 1. 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have formed here 8 digit number. So here 3, 2, 2. Here also 3, 2, 2. Already I told how to insert the commas also. So this is the forming numbers without repetition. Okay, without repetition. Next here you have to form the numbers by repetition, with repetition. Then how to form with repetition? With repetition. How to form the numbers? By repeating. Forming the numbers by repeating. Yes, forming the numbers by repeating. Then I will take here one example. Yes, I will take here one example, and that is 78593. 78593. Here you have to form 7 digit number. 7 digit number by repeating. Here the number will repeat here. Then how to form greatest number and how to form smallest number. See here 7 digit number. Here only how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. But here I have to form a greatest 7 digit number. Then how to form? See here. Then you have to write the greatest number. Okay, 9, 7, 8. Sorry, here 9, 8, 9, 8, 7. Next what will come here? 5. Next 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I wrote 5 digit greatest number, but the question is there to form 7 digit number. So you have to repeat the greatest number 2 times. Okay, see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only one time it will repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write 9 one more time. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number is there. So I wrote here 9, next 8, next 7, next 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I will write here 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one more time. What? Here 9 will repeat. Means here they given only 5 digit, but I have to form here 7 digit largest number, means the greater number will repeat here 2 times. If for example 6 digit is there, means the 9 will repeat here only 1 time. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so first you have to write biggest to smallest, and the bigger number you have to repeat 2 times. Next here again the smallest number means you write smaller to bigger. So which one is small here? 3. Next what is there here? 5. Next what is there here? 7. Next 8. Next 9. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I wrote only 5 digit number, but here the question is there to form what 7 digit smallest number. So what to write here? Here the 3 will repeat 3 times. So this type you have to form the greatest 7 digit number by repetition. Here the greater number, while you are forming greatest number, the greater number will greater number will repeat, and the smaller number while writing, the smaller number will repeat. So here my practice time 4 is there, page number 85. So try to solve this kind of examples. Okay, next here one more concept will come, and that is successor and predecessor of the number. Very easy concept is there. Successor and predecessor of the number. Successor and predecessor of the number. Here successor means +1, predecessor means -1. Means successor means which is the number that comes just the after number. Predecessor means a number that comes just the before the given number. So I will take some examples from your my practice time 4, and here the first question is 34,65,102, and one more example I will take, and that is 7,80,65,120. So here 7,692,103, and here 6,35,71,200. So these are the some examples I took from your my practice time 4. See here already I told successor means it is the after number, predecessor means it is the before number of the given number. See here if only 2 is there you can write very easily, but here this much big numbers are there, how to write? So the question is there, write the successor of the following numbers. Here write the predecessor of the following numbers. So how to write it? Successor. For that, so one small trick is there. If you know that, then you can write. So just you have to see the ones place. So what is there in ones place? 2. So what is the successor of 2? It is 3. Then you write all the digit as it is, 34,65,103 over. See here 34,65,102 is there. So just you have to see ones place and write its after number. Next here successor, again you have to write successor of the number. See here 7,80,65,120. For that, see here you have to see just ones place. What is there here? 0. Then after the 0 what will come here? 1. If 0 is there means you can take this 20 also. What is there after 20? 21. So right here 7,80,65,121. See here there is no need to worry if there are 6, 7 and 8 digit numbers are there. Just you need to see only ones place or ones or tens place. Next here predecessor is there. So what is there here? Predecessor. Okay. So predecessor means you have to write the before number of the given digit. Here again you have to see ones place. What is there in ones place? 3 is there. So what will come here? 2. The before number of 3 is 2, but don't write here 2. You need to write here all the digits. 7,692,102. So this is the predecessor of the number. You have to see the ones place. Next predecessor is there. Again predecessor of the number. See here this much big number is there, but here 200 is there. Here also 0 is there. Here 2 is there. So what to write? What is the before number of 200? It's 199. So right here 6,35,71,199. Here successor means you have to add 1. Predecessor means you have to subtract 1. See here my practice time 4, page number 85. Here 4 examples are there. Among them I have solved 2 examples. Remaining you do as a homework. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.